Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate without coconut oil. Let's dive right into crafting your own delectable chocolate from scratch. We'll explore the essential components and techniques to achieve a perfect consistency and flavor without relying on coconut oil. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a luxurious, homemade confection that everyone will adore. This process is surprisingly straightforward and incredibly rewarding. To begin, you'll need 3 core ingredients: high-quality cocoa powder, pure cocoa butter, and your preferred sweetener, such as powdered sugar or a sugar substitute. Cocoa butter is crucial for that classic chocolate texture and mouthfeel. For an extra layer of deliciousness, a splash of vanilla extract can elevate the flavor profile significantly. Always choose the best quality ingredients you can find. It truly makes a difference in the final product. First, gently melt your cocoa butter using a double boiler to prevent scorching. Once melted, gradually whisk in the cocoa powder and your chosen sweetener until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. This step requires patience to ensure a uniform consistency. For a professional-looking chocolate with a beautiful shine and satisfying snap, tempering is key. This involves carefully controlling the temperature of your chocolate. Once your chocolate is tempered, pour it into your desired molds or spread it thinly onto parchment paper. Allow the chocolate to set completely at room temperature. Avoid the refrigerator, as it can affect the texture and appearance. Once firm, carefully remove it from the molds. Store your homemade chocolate in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness and flavor for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.